Namaskar, Hola. Welcome to SRBPS classes where you learn, explore with fun. I am Komal Gemini and today I'll be teaching class first English. So today we'll be taking the first chapter of grammar and the name of the chapter is the alphabet. You must have read this chapter in your UKG class, right? So, today we will learn some more thing about the chapter alphabet. But before that, we'll do a fun activity. Okay? So today, your teacher will tell you that how we can make alphabets with the help of our hands. You want to try with me? I'll show you. Now, which letter we'll make first? We'll be making A alphabet. Okay, letter A of the alphabet. So for making A with the hands, what you have to do? Show me a thumb. Very good. Now touch the thumb with each other. Now touch the finger. Here is our letter A. I'll show you again. Touch the thumb. Now touch the finger. Here is your letter A. Now what we'll be doing next? We'll be doing the letter H. Now what shall we do for H? Again, touch the thumb. Now what you have to do, keep the hand straight. Now this is my letter H. What we have to do, we have to touch the thumb and we have to keep the hand straight. This is my letter H. Now the third letter is O. For making O, what we have to do? Now touch the thumb again. Now touch the fingers like this. So this is our letter O. Now what is the fourth one? See, for fourth one, touch the thumb again and only the index finger. So here comes your letter U. Touch the thumb and take your index finger out. It's your letter U. Now we'll be doing one last letter, that is V. For V, what you have to do, join the elbow of yours or join the palm of your like this, the end of the palm, and this is your letter V. So we have learned 5 letters with the help of hands. Now I'll be showing you some worksheet related to the chapter the alphabet. So here comes the first worksheet.
So students, this is the first worksheet of ours. Name alphabet. We will be revising alphabet. In UKG class, you must have done it many times. So let's revise them all. See what ma'am has written after alphabet. Upper case. Upper case. Upper case means letter that are written in capital. Okay? Or capital letters. Now see all the formation in uppercase. All are capital letters now. Now we will be revising them. Okay? We'll be revising them. I'll speak one letter and you have to repeat after me. Promise? Promise, children? Very good. Let's start. A. Repeat after me. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Very good. Clap for yourself. Now, students, I'll be telling you that where these uppercase letter used. Where we use this uppercase letter? कहाँ use करते हैं इनको? See, when you write your name, you start the letter with a capital one, na? You use a capital letter, an uppercase letter, right? So, whenever we are writing somebody's name or some city name or some place name, okay, we always start the word with a uppercase letter. Understood? Now, tell me in which country you live. Tell me, in which country you live? Correct, India. So, India is a name of a country, na? So, always we start India with an uppercase letter. I will be capital there. Understood? Now, we'll be coming to the lowercase letters. In general language, lowercase letters are the small letters. Let's see. See, all are written in the small letters, na? Lowercase letters. So, students, how a lowercase letter help us? Whenever we write something, so especially a name, so we'll start it with the uppercase letter. But after the uppercase letter, we use all the lowercase letters. Like your name, right? The first letter is uppercase, but the rest of the letters are lowercase, na? So lowercase letters are very important. We must know fine formatting of this. Now, we'll be coming to the second sheet of ours. So, what is the second sheet? Are you seeing the sheet? The second sheet tells us about vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Now, see, our vowels V, O, W, E, L, S. Vowels word is written in blue color and consonants is written in pink color. So when we read the alphabet, then we come to know that the blue color letter are vowels and the pink color letters are consonants. Let's start. Now see children, first of all I am showing you for first word. Okay, the first word is A. A is in blue color, na? So it is a vowel. B. What is the color of letter B? Correct. The color of letter B is pink. So it's a consonant. Now what about letter C? Pink color. Again it is a consonant. So like this, B, C, D. All are consonant. Now what about letter E? The next letter, that is E. What about E? So the letter E is written in blue color. It's a vowel. F again is in pink color, so it's a consonant. So like this, we have to choose vowels and consonant. Now see what ma'am written here. Number of vowels. See the color, blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many blue color letters are there? 5. That's correct. So, the number of vowels are 5. Now, what are the vowels? Let us recall it once. A, E, I, O, U. So, these are our vowels. What is the number of vowels? 5. Okay, there are 5 vowels in the alphabet. And what are they? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now, we'll be looking at consonant. Now, how many consonant we have? We have 21 consonant. Okay, and what are the consonant? B, C, repeat with me, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good. So what are the number of, how many consonant we have in alphabet? 21. And how many vowels we have? 5. Right? And what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Now students, we'll be doing some of the alphabetical order, and I'll show you how we'll write words with the uppercase letters and the lowercase letters. Do you want to see? So let's go. So students, this worksheet is for alphabetical order, but before that we'll be seeing the word ones. Now see all the words in front of one in the first line. What are the words? Dog, bag, cat. Now see, the first letter of dog is D and an uppercase letter is used, right? Whereas O and G are the lowercase letters. So with the help of uppercase letter and the lowercase letter, we make a word. And what is the word here? Dog. Now see the second word. The second word is bag. Now I'll ask you, what is the uppercase letter in bag? Tell me. Very good. B. And what are the lowercase letters? I'm waiting. Tell me. A and G. Well done. Now the third word is cat. Now what is the uppercase letter in cat? C. Very good. And the lowercase letters are? Come on, tell me. Very nice. A and T. So like this, with the help of uppercase letters and the lowercase letters, we make words. We write words. Now we'll be seeing some alphabetical order. We have just revised all the alphabet, right? All the alphabet has a pattern, na? What comes first in the beginning? A. Then comes B. So it is very easy. We just have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Let's start with first example. What are the words we have just read? Start reading after me. Dog, bag, cat. Very good. Now see the uppercase letter of all the words. That means the first letter. The first letter of dog is D. The first letter of bag is B. And the first letter of cat is C. Very good. Now tell me, what will come first? D, B or C? Let us sing the alphabet song. A, B. What come first? B, right? So we will write bag first. And then after B, what comes? Comes C. So after bag, at the second place written cat. And in the last come dog. Easy, right? What we have to see? We have to see the uppercase letter. And then according to alphabet, we have to arrange them. Let's see the second part. What are the words in the second part? Let's read. Leg, foot, eye. Now let's underline the first letter of all the words. What is the first letter of leg? Correct, L. What is the first letter of foot? Very nice, F. And what is the first letter of eye? Well done, E. So now who will tell me that in alphabet what come first? L, F or E? I am waiting. What come first? E. Very good. So we will be writing I first. After E comes F. So we will be writing foot at the second place. And at the last we will write leg. Very good. Now we'll be doing our third part. Okay. See, what are the words written in the third part? Pen, van, rat. I'm repeating. Pen, van, rat. So, what is the first work of ours? Yes, we have to underline the first letter. So, what is the first letter in pen? P. What is the first letter in van? V. And what is the first letter in rat? R. Well done. Now, recall the alphabet and tell me what will come first, P, V or R? Well done. P come first. So I have written pen at the first place. Now, what will come after pen? After P? P, Q, R. And there is a word with R. Rat. So we will write rat at the second place. And now what is left? Van. So we will fill the third place with the word when. Very good. Now I'll be telling you the rules one more time. When we have to arrange the word in alphabetical order, what we will do? We will see the first letter of the word. Very nice. And after that, we will recall all the alphabet. And the alphabet come first. The word starting with the letter will be taken as the first place. उसकी first turn आ जाएगी, okay? He'll go first in the line. And then we have to check in both the words, in both the left words, जो two words बच गए ना, we have to see now what will come first. And then we have to give him the word second place. And then the left one word will be placed at the third place. Well done.
This was your chapter first of grammar, the alphabet. Now let us recapitulate what we have learned today. We have learned alphabet, vowels and consonant, and alphabetical order. So keep practicing them at home, take help of your parents, and check out this video again and again to clear your doubts. The homework and classwork for this class related to the alphabet is already been uploaded on the Dropbox of your respective class. So check the Dropbox on daily basis. I'll take leave from you now. Bye-bye. Thank you all.